Did you know that you can create a world of unique and delicious beverages in just 5 minutes? Welcome to the fascinating realm of quick mix beverages, where creativity meets convenience and taste buds are delighted with every sip. This video will guide you on an exciting journey, equipping you with the skills to mix up a variety of beverages in a flash. From tangy lemonades to creamy smoothies, exotic mocktails to comforting hot chocolate, we've got you covered. Each recipe is designed to be quick and easy, perfect for those moments when you're craving a refreshing drink but are short on time. But don't be fooled by the speed. These recipes don't compromise on flavor or quality. You'll be amazed at the diversity of drinks you can whip up with just a few ingredients and a little imagination. So, fasten your seatbelts and get your shakers ready. Prepare to discover 35 ways to mix drinks and beverages that are quick, easy, and delicious. First up, a refreshing classic, lemonade with a twist. Welcome to the world of quick mix beverages. Today we're diving into the delightful process of creating a classic lemonade. But not just any lemonade, we're talking about a zesty, sweet, and oh-so-refreshing drink that can be prepared in just 5 minutes. The secret to this quick, yet delicious lemonade lies in the ingredients. Freshness is key here. You'll need fresh lemons, of course. The vibrant yellow ones with a slightly glossy skin. They're the ones that are bursting with juice and flavor. But that's not all. You'll also need some sugar for sweetness and water. Simple, isn't it? Now let's get started. Slice your lemons in half and squeeze out all that tangy juice. Don't worry about the seeds. We'll strain them out later. Pour the juice into a pitcher and set it aside. Next, it's time to create a simple syrup. This is an important step because it ensures that the sugar dissolves completely into the lemonade. Just combine equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan and heat it until the sugar dissolves. Once that's done, allow it to cool for a couple of minutes. Now comes the exciting part. Pour your freshly squeezed lemon juice into the cooled syrup. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Add in some ice, stir again, and voila! Your quick classic lemonade is ready to serve. But what's the twist, you ask? Well, we believe in a balance of flavors. While the tanginess of the lemons and the sweetness of the sugar are delightful, a pinch of salt can elevate your lemonade to a whole new level. It intensifies the flavors and adds an unexpected depth to the drink. So go ahead, add a pinch of salt to your lemonade and give it a stir. Remember, the beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity and versatility. Adjust the sweetness or sourness to your liking, add in some mint leaves or a splash of soda for a fizzy touch. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, a refreshing classic lemonade in just 5 minutes. The magic of mixing drinks is that it's all about creativity and personal preference. We've embarked on a whirlwind tour, exploring 35 unique ways to whip up thirst-quenching beverages in a mere 5 minutes. From the tangy zest of citrus infusions to the soothing warmth of herbal concoctions, the diversity of flavors we've encountered is simply staggering. We've seen how the simplicity of the classic lemonade can be transformed with a dash of fresh mint or a splash of sparkling water. We've delved into the world of iced teas and discovered the depth of flavors that can be achieved by combining different varieties of tea, sweeteners, and fresh fruits. The velvety smoothness of homemade hot chocolate, the invigorating fizz of homemade sodas, and the calming serenity of herbal infusions have all featured on this flavor-packed journey. At the heart of each of these quick mix beverages lie fresh, quality ingredients. Whether it's the burst of citrus in your lemonade, the subtle sweetness of honey in your tea, or the rich creaminess of milk in your hot chocolate, the quality of your ingredients shines through in every sip. We've also realized how easy it is to craft these beverages at home. Armed with just a few simple tools and guided by your taste buds, you've seen how you can become your own mixologist. The freedom to tweak the flavors, adjust the sweetness, or add a twist of your own makes each of these beverages a personal masterpiece. Whether you're hosting a party, seeking a refreshing pick-me-up, or simply wanting to unwind with a comforting drink, these quick mix methods offer a plethora of options. Remember, the best beverage is the one you enjoy making and drinking. So don't be afraid to experiment and make these drinks your own. Cheers to your 5-minute beverage adventures.